In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change primary account in PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. First, go to your profile icon, press X and open switch user, and from here open the primary account. And once you have opened the primary account, now go to settings, go to users and accounts, go to other, then go to console sharing and offline play, and go to enable and press X. Now wait for a few seconds, let it enable, and now it's enabled. So now you can play games across all your accounts. If you have bought a game on your this account, you will be able to play into your also other accounts. So you can also disable it if you want, whenever you want. So now you have changed the primary account in your PS5. So this is how you can do it, and thanks for watching.